Yo, what's up everybody? It's my second day in Perth and today I have a road trip to Swan Valley, also another destination when everybody offered me to come and tell Damian you have to go to Swan Valley. We're gonna have a coffee in one of the places over there. Check this out, this old truck over here. Weather is beautiful, just in general, really beautiful, no issue at all. And check this out, these roads everywhere behind me, this is unbelievable. That's the little bit situation of the roads, there are the halls, the people having the ranch. We are going to this one, there is the plane by the way. Weather is just amazing, beautiful. And the roads of course are beautiful, this is countryside roads only. In the parking lot, let's check this out, this Volkswagen van. How cool is this? I'm always a little bit in love with these old Volkswagen cars. And yeah, we're gonna go there. That's one of the places here. So this is the Swan Valley. We arrived to the one coffee shop and roastery. I'm gonna show you around deep inside. How does it look like? This is super cool. And also I'm gonna show you outside little bit environment. It's really, really beautiful here. And then the little lake over here as well. I'm gonna show you the place inside. A super cool roastery and coffee shop with the local coffee beans. Check this out, it's pretty busy this afternoon. Actually, it's around 11:30 at morning. Check this out, they have a match and all of this stuff here. But what is more interesting, they have so much selection of the coffee here. Espresso, black gold and others. Kahava, so cool. And they also have a teas here. Merchandises, you can buy the beautiful cup with the stuff, or little quokka even here. And they also have other stuff, I don't know what is it, even coffee, chocolate, seems like a honey or something. And they have a roastery. Check this out, this machine for roasting the coffee is just so cool and so beautiful. They're keeping the coffee beans in the steel, in the rattan box, which is very good. This is so happy to see, you know, to be honest, this was like one of my dreams. Check this out, my brother probably will be in heaven here if he will be here with me, so that's cool. And also they have something here, you can discuss. Wow, so cool place. Trying to show you a little bit around. And yeah, here is like a machine they can taste probably. Book a course. This is how to become the barista actually. So cool. Very cool little place. Even the police officers having a coffee here, so must be good. And of course I have to try the coffee here, even if I'm in the place like this one, how I could resist myself from having a coffee, right? Bro, what you have it? Very nice? You like it? Beautiful. And this is how it looks, my cappuccino. Also, they said this is medium size. If this is medium size, I'm even afraid of thinking how is the big size, because that's for me already extra large. So that's the hot cappuccino in this place. Check this out, the cup size. Is it small? It's just medium size, but it's big. Looks very good, and I believe tastes the same. And overall, that's the place from outside. People just chilling, enjoying, coming for Sunday afternoon, actually Sunday, like at 11 o'clock in the morning, enjoying their time. This is like a park, little lake, vineyard in the background, and overall situation, perfect weather conditions, family-friendly place. And the bar, of course, there, and the restaurant shop, what I showed you inside. Also, even this little door is cool. Everything is cool here, different vibes. I don't know if I mentioned already previously that, but the Swan Valley is famous for their vineyards since 1890 something. So very long tradition of the wines. If you're drinking wine, definitely you should visit. Vineyards are actually there. I don't know if I'm gonna get opportunity to film it closer. Also, the weather right now is 21 degrees in the shed. It's a little bit hotter on the sun. This is the perfect weather for me. I really feel the best in the temperatures like this one. So 31 is too hot. 11 is a little bit too cold, but the weather like this one is just perfect. This is like 100% where I feel so comfortable on it. And overall, very beautiful place. That was the coffee shop and the gardens over here. There's little lake. We're gonna go to different location and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the roads. How does it look like here? Because it's just simply super cool. And guess what, guys? You're not gonna believe. Again, my viewers sitting just over there. Say hi.
Hi,
Little bit shy.
How are you? Love your your show, love your channel.
Thanks so much. I
No
appreciate
worries,
you.
all the best. Enjoy Perth.
One thing what I really like in Australia so far, it's just my second day, I'm not even in the city center yet because exploring surroundings, is that everything is so spacious here. Of course, this is Australia, so it's understandable as they have a lot of room for everything. And also there is like a little shop for the drive-through. This is the name, like this one, by the way, of the coffee walks, just in case if you would like to come by yourself and visit this place. I know some of my viewers planning to come to Perth, so that's may be helpful for you. Coffee walks, adventure in the cup. I'm going now for different spot for some lunch now. I'm speechless. E-type here, jug. Check this out. That's so cool. Isn't that beauty? The beautiful jug, E-type here. I want to show you. I hope so the owner don't mind, but he deserves to show his car a little bit. E-type Jaguar with the beautiful interior like this. I know I'm the big fan of the cars. So cool. I know it's just the car, but I used to live 4.5 years in UK and I never spot them. They are originally from UK, and they are. I heard there are only 3 in whole entire Western Australia, and just casually one sitting over there. I am lucky today, for sure. Also, the airport must be somewhere close because of all of these planes going like this. So cool, actually, for every aviation fans. That's Jetstar, legendary Jetstar.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night.
Gonna go for the lunch to this place. It's called Mandoon Stay. Something like this one. I'm gonna show you the sign, just in case if you'd like to go by yourself one day. Why not? The place looks like this one, and just next to it is the parking area, of course, is the vineyard like this one. I'm not sure if I enter because that's all private properties, I guess, but that's the vineyards. I think it's really lucky day for me because we just arrived and there is the vineyard with no fence. So I think it's no issue if I'm gonna walk a little bit around. I hope so there are just no snakes here somewhere or something. No snakes. This is the vineyard, but no fruits. It's not the season right now, but that's how does it look like. Just so cool. It's Sunday afternoon, so seems busy and just wanna have a quick walk through the vineyard to show you how does it look like. And while I'm gonna put the camera higher, just cool, like this one, and beautiful weather today. That's the fields overall on the other side. Pity there is no grapes, but that's still nice to show you, like this one, so cool. We are walking a little bit, wanna show you around. This is Sunday afternoon, exactly 1 o'clock, and seems like it's very busy everywhere with the people, playground, kids running. That's the lifestyle right now in Perth on the Sunday. We're gonna have some lunch here and let's have a look. We arrived to the place, gonna have a fish and chip again because we are in Perth, so either burgers, either steaks, or either fish and chip. Fish and chips are here great. Then I grab some drink and the place is packed of people. I mean, unbelievable. So as you can see, the vibes here are totally different. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm not gonna say it's super cool, and I'm a little bit impressed. So many people enjoying the time in the park. It's Sunday, family-friendly place. Gonna have some fish and chip and stuff like this one. Wanna show you the place a little bit around. There is the river. It's like a, I don't know even how to call it. It's just so cool. What I gotta tell you, it's so cool. Weather is just magnificent. It's beautiful. There's the live band, as you can see. They're playing, the people eating, and there's the homestay or something and the restaurant, and there's also access to the river down there. That's the situation. There is even live band, the guy singing, people just enjoying, just simply purely enjoying the life. And genuinely, I'm gonna tell you, as I think people are just simply genuinely happy here. At least that's what I feel it, what I observe people, you know. I'm kind of shy guy, but I can like to watch people, and I'm saying, as they are pretty enjoying the time. Like, Really cool, cool vibes. And of course, when I'm in Perth, I have to eat fish and chip. Like I said, fish and chip or burgers, like this one. Also nice, actually, though. Fish and chip, cold. Food was great. Weather is just beautiful, and also this place is since 1895. Down there is the river. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. And to the river, you have to go there. Nice path, wooden, so easy fizzy. A lot of empty land, and the river is just there. I don't know if you can see, but here I'm trying to zoom. There are some birdies here actually. So this is Australia. You're gonna find everything on the trees. And this is the Swan River here, and there are some boats and little jetty. Overall, it seems like a great place for the weekend. We can get away if you are living in Perth. Swan Valley and Swan River over here, so cool. There are some boats here, and as you can see, this one is actually very fast. They have a 600 horsepower and the engine 2x300, but this is just the river. I don't think so they can drive so fast. There's some casually, some boat cruising. That's the Swan River on the countryside already, Swan Valley. Look at this, they're wearing the nice lives. Look at the doggo on the boat, check this out. That's actually cool. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Yo, cheers. So cool. People casually enjoying their weekend. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and there is like a tree. I think the people were going on the tree, and there is the rope, so they were swinging and stuff like this. Very nice river overall. Very enjoyable vibe. Bro, I just wonder what could eat you on this river, in this river.
Kangaroos, crocodiles, floating kangaroos, crocodiles.
Yeah. And what else? No, just kidding. Not
pythons,
not on
anacondas.
bloody snakes. No, we're just kidding. Not, but they're actually on the Swan River, the bull shark. Somebody commented yesterday that literally, but in the city side. A little bit scary actually, but well, nobody swimming this river, I think. As you can see, the swans are everywhere, and this is the building where you can have a wine tasting. Obviously, Perth and in Australia in general is very popular for the wines, one of the best wines in the world in general. I think you should know that if you're not coming from Australia, obviously. And yeah, but I'm not the wine person. Unfortunately, I really don't like wine. I'm not drinking in general, so I'm not gonna make a taste and show you around. However, you can do it here. The place here, it's called Wild Swan, and as you can see, some people enjoying their afternoon wine. And this is the inside gift shop with the wines. You can find like this one. Very nice indeed. I would like to show you a little bit what you can have. It not only wines but also different products. So that's the prices and the options for the wines. As you can see, like this one. Bro, gonna taste something, huh? Here we go. Let's see.
All right. I'm gonna try your wine right here.
Okay, as I'm not testing, I'm not drinking wine, you have to try it. You have to say to the people, how is it? Okay. It looks like a bro, like an expert, right? Okay. All right. Shoot. What you say?
You haven't tried the best yet.
That's the best here?
It's not even the best.
Oh my God. Which one was that? This one. Okay, another try. Bro, me gonna try. I'm telling you guys, I'm not the wine person, literally, but I would like to film it, so I have action now. So yeah, that's how does it look like. If you come here, you can experience like this. Lovely ladies have a knowledge about the wines. Very cool. So the mix selection choice was this one. Looks good, tastes good.
Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground in disbelief, staring at his fingers through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find
overall, so many nice places for having a drink, for having a beer, for having a wine. Nice old trucks here. And well, this Holden cars are also nice, the two-seater pickups, very Australian thing. Stop on the middle of the road because I want to show you something. This is the traffic and situation on Sunday afternoon. And this is the thing, the sign of the kangaroo. I think I wouldn't be in Australia, I will not film myself with the sign of the kangaroo. I wish I can meet the kangaroo somewhere here, but at least the sign is here. All right, we have a beautiful Ford Falcon, XR Ford Falcon Boss 315. I don't know what engine is inside, but the registration is hazardous. Next to the Tesla Model 3, I guess. This is actually paradox picture. Nice car and Tesla. Who drive Tesla if you have this one in Australia? My bad, this is Tesla Model Y. I mean, there's nothing wrong with driving the Tesla if you like guys, but for me, you have still so many nice cars with V8, the sound of V8. I saw so many like Mustangs and all the cars here driving. Just, you know, you don't see that much in Europe even, not mentioned in Asia, but here you can still enjoy it. Okay, let's have a different song. He said you don't like Tesla, you drive a Jeep. So anyways, let's have some beer now, or cider. Cheers guys, we arrived to the Mash Brewing, or something like that, and I got some local cider, looks good, tastes good. Cheers guys, I mean, this is like a park, something like this one, so cool, cheers. And they also have party buses like this one. In Bali we have like a bath party buses in Kuta and Legion, and here they have a huge coach buses for the parties. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So that was the pretty cool bar with the crafts beers. I think it's Mash Brewing name actually. Had some very nice sweet cider. Perth seems is very popular for the ciders, and I'm drinking ciders over the beers or shandy or radlers. But they have a nice ciders here. The vibe like this one, and I think this is also some accommodations option, something like this one. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. We're gonna hunt for some kangaroos. I definitely would love to see some kangaroos when I'm in Australia already.
Right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums are warm, are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Alright, situation looked like this as we arrived to the Yenchep or something like that national park, and there are little kangaroos over there. Finally I see the kangaroos. I will zoom it for you. Hello sweetheart, little kangaroos here. Yo, what's up buddy? Oh, they jumping. I ran away, but I got this. That's actually cool. And there are other ones behind the tree over there as well. Right, so we are in the park. Gonna show you, there are some birdies here, but also there are kangaroos here. Looks like this one, very nice house also at the front. Don't wanna get too close because don't wanna scare them and don't wanna get hit by the kangaroo either. But they are like this one. They are just chilling in the park here. So cute animals. Definitely no selfie with this. It's not the quokka. So cute. They are just eating the grass here. That's a nice national park. Trying to make a little shot for you of the kangaroos, like this one. They will not attack you. They are smaller one, like I think, and they are like chilling. However, you don't wanna fight. Oh, that's the little birdie sitting on the kangaroo actually. Yeah, I'm not gonna get too much close. There are some people making pictures also, don't want to distract the kangaroos, but so cool. She's a little bit pregnant, so should be little kangaroo from the, you know, from the bottom. I don't know how to call it properly, but I also want to show them a little bit from the front. Little bit zoom, little bit shaky, but I cannot get so close to them. They are so cute, just enjoying. Alright guys, so as you can see, some kangaroos from Western Australia. So cute. So we just enjoying eating the grass. Lazy afternoon, little birdie on it. Very cool, very happy to see the kangaroos finally in Australia. Thanks so much for my mate, Mick, who is behind the camera to show me around. And yeah, one of the dreams come true and the tick on the bucket list. Kangaroos in Australia, live, not in the zoo, not in the, somewhere in the cage, just like this, in the nature. And there are some little birdie here. I think they are parrots. Yeah, like this one. We'll try to show you a little bit until they're gonna fly away. So let's see how close I can get to them. So cute. Little thing, but makes you happy. Hello, little birdie. I got a very nice shot actually right now. Check this out. This is just next to the tree. Sorry, I am shaky a little bit, but this one is with the zoom maximum, what I can handle on my camera. And they're making the noises like this. And there is another one. Hello, little birdie. Alright, just arrived to the beach area in the new residential area in Alkimos, which is like a north part of Perth, a metropolitan area. It's not already city center. There are beautiful houses in the background everywhere. I'm gonna show you the beach eventually, finally, right now. Yesterday, of course, I showed you on the Rottnest Island, but now in Perth, in the continental Australia. I hope so I could find the blue bottles here or something what can kill you on the beach. I'm just joking, but there are some blue bottles and other stuff in Australia, but particularly not on this, not in this area. Overall, everything looks like this one. Pretty nice. It's getting cooler a little bit, so wearing my jacket already. Last thing what I wanna get now to be sick. It's like already 18 degrees or so, but weather is beautiful and perfect for a wearing jacket like this one. That's the overall restaurant by the beach here. Seems like quite a lot of people, of course. It's Sunday afternoon and the beach in the background. People playing something. Sunset gonna be soon. I'm gonna film for sure. Wanna for sure show you. Probably gonna grab some coffee. And that's how people enjoying their Sunday afternoon here. Also gonna go definitely to the beach. And this is the beach situation in Western Australia. That's how does it look like. Sunset gonna be shortly. There is the shipwreck. I will zoom it for you. Actually this one around 400 meters from the shore. There's the shipwreck. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the history. We can read about that. It's very interesting. So that's the little bit of the history of Alkimos shipwreck. Very interesting for everyone who wanna read this. Please pause it and you can enjoy it. And overall, this is like an observation deck. You can enjoy. It's pretty windy. I hope so my microphones handle the wind. I'm gonna go to the beach a little bit. The sun is white. I just need to charge my camera a little bit and get ready for the sunset, because sunset gonna be in approximately 20 minutes. And the weather, like I said, around 18 degrees right now. So cool. There is some romantic couple behind me. I don't know if you can see. Overall, the beach is very, very quiet, but very nice. I'm going now. That's the stairs. I'm going, trying to get to the sand. Looks like this one. There is the shower. I don't know why it's running, and the water is super windy. It's actually pretty chilly weather now. But here we go. I'm entering the sand, and the sun is of course very, very sandy. White sands like everywhere in Australia. Empty, not single person on the beach, only me here. Probably everybody who are on the top thinking who is that guy going and filming himself on the beach. I don't think so many YouTubers coming to Australia in general, especially in Western Australia. Hello! Drone! Some kids actually are here, I'm surprised. And whoa, that's how it looks like. I'll show you a little bit around. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the view of the beach in Western Australia. Yeah, sunset is just literally right now. That's how does it look like. I'm gonna show you a little bit. The guy with the metal detector here, and some people. Only few actually. Beautiful sounds of the ocean waves. Very nice, very nice. Happy to show you today everything, little bit of everything. Tomorrow probably I'm gonna explore the city more. Some little birdies here. Those things on the beach, they are not rubbish. They are just like things from the ocean. Offshore, actually. Gonna get closer to the birdies, so they're gonna fly away. Here we go. Bye bye, birdies. That's the waves. Not sure how's the water. Is it cold or not? But that's how does it look like. Sunset. All right, that's it. That's a beautiful sunset here in Western Australia on the beach, one of the local beaches. Probably I'm gonna show you some most popular one in the nearby the Perth city centre. Next upcoming days I'm gonna show you more from the Western Australia, more into city area, because there's so much things to show today. I saw kangaroos, I saw the Swan Valley, and so many interesting things and beautiful places. So that's really cool. I hope so you enjoy my series, short series from Australia. Well, enjoy the sunset, and I hope so I will see you tomorrow. Also, big thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. That's really helped me a lot, especially right now when I'm traveling through Australia, at least in Western Australia. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. See ya.